Hi everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today we'll be making a protein shake, and this is going to be a mint flavored protein shake. It's really delicious. It has a touch of cocoa, so it kind of reminds me a little bit of the mint and chocolate chip ice cream. So I hope you really like it. Let me show you how it's made. The first ingredient I'm going to add is a small handful of spinach, less than 1 cup. One scoop of your favorite protein vanilla powder. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/4 cup of low-fat Greek yogurt, plain. 1 cup of low-fat milk, or your preferred milk of choice, almond, unsweetened, or soy milk. You can't see it, but there's half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. And 3 ice cubes, partially crushed. Or you can throw whole ice cubes. It's just that my processor is a little outdated, so giving it a little help in advance is not a bad idea. And finally, you can add a sprig of mint just for a decoration. And there you have it. And that's it. And this shake makes 2 servings, by the way. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.